Welcome to OET Answers.
Your preparation time is over. Now you can start your OET speaking role play. Don't worry if I stop you when the time is up. Good afternoon, Patricia. I'm Narso Andrew, your nurse for today. I understand you haven't been feeling well. I'm here to talk about your treatment plan and get your permission for a procedure. How are you feeling?
Thank you, nurse. I've been experiencing severe nausea and vomiting, along with stomach pain. It's been difficult to keep even water down.
I see. That sounds quite uncomfortable. Don't worry. Your doctor has suggested a treatment to help settle your stomach and allow it to heal. I'm here to explain everything and answer any questions you may have.
That's good to hear. Please tell me about it.
One of the things we can do is insert a nasogastric tube, or NG tube for short. It's a thin, flexible tube that goes through your nose, down your throat, and into your stomach.
Through my nose? That sounds a bit frightening.
I understand your concern. It might feel odd at first, but it's a common procedure with many benefits. The NG tube lets us give you fluids and medicine directly into your stomach, bypassing any blockages causing your discomfort. It also helps relieve pressure and gas, which can reduce nausea and pain.
So, it's like a small helper for my stomach?
Exactly. Think of it as a temporary way to rest your digestive system while we address the main issue. The procedure itself is simple. You'll sit comfortably, and we'll carefully insert the lubricated tube through one nostril. You might feel a tickle, but if you swallow as instructed, it will go down smoothly.
Okay, that sounds manageable, but I'm still worried. Is it really necessary?
It's natural to feel uncertain. The nasogastric tube is important for several reasons. It helps remove excess fluids and gas from your stomach, relieving discomfort and preventing complications. It can also help clear blockages in your intestines. This improves your overall comfort and recovery. Does that clarify things?
Yes, it does. But how long will I have to have it in?
Unfortunately, I can't say for sure. It depends on how your body responds to treatment. Your doctor will provide more details later.
Okay, as long as it helps me feel better, I'm willing to do it.
Great. Before we proceed, do you have any other questions or concerns?
Honestly, I'm a bit nervous about the discomfort.
You might feel a little uncomfortable during insertion, but we'll do our best to make it as easy as possible. Remember, Patricia, the benefits of the NG tube outweigh any temporary discomfort. Are you ready to proceed with the NG tube insertion?
Okay, I'm ready.
Excellent. Just relax, and we'll start shortly. We're here to support you.
Thank you. It's reassuring to know I have someone looking after me.
That is the end of the role-playing scenario. All the best.
Thank you, nurse.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Kindly comment your suggestions and help as to do better.